P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where is a glass?
And that's it.
To the woman, but all that could be said was that the woman was annoying him and would not go away. After such a direction, there could be little doubt about the verdict. The jury found George Samuel Cook guilty of murder. They did, however, recommend mercy, asking that his sentence be commuted to life imprisonment due to what they regarded as moral provocation. His sweetheart Nellie fainted as Cook was condemned to death. George Cook was removed from court and taken through a passage to the adjacent Newgate jail and into the condemned cell. The judge assured them that their recommendation would be forwarded to the Home Secretary, Herbert Asquith, but he left the court in little doubt as to his own view of the matter. In his opinion, the circumstances of the killing fully justified the death penalty. The recommendation for mercy failed. Cook bore up well as he awaited his fate, and on the day before his execution, he was visited by his father and sweetheart, in what were described. Bullets later extracted from the bodies were of the same calibre. The council also said that found in the prisoner's room by another person.
£14 for a box of 18 at Asda. But if you want your Angelo Peretti, Mr. Horn, it's 2 boxes of 12 for 20 quid, although that is actually mix and match. You can also get a 10 pack, although they are Coke sized tins, of Birra Moretti.
Yes, completely and able.
Well, just shows what you can do when you try.
Yes, next week I shall attempt escaping from a locked milk churn 40 foot underwater.
Whatever churns you on.
Where have you been while I've been half strangling myself?
I've been escaping from Melinda Tarquin. They popped in and it all got a bit complicated.
How?
They think I'm making a tent.
Why?
Because I didn't want to say that my husband was zipped up in the bedroom and I had to cut him loose. Sounds so peculiar. What are we going to do with this?
Oh, no.
Go away for a weekend somewhere.
Yes, I mean, we haven't bought any camping gear yet.
Oh, we've got an old
And that's this is the Coke sized tin, 330ml, of Birra Moretti, which you can get a 10 pack as part of the 20 quid at Asda. Oh. This is, I would say, this is quite quaffable. Obviously, you can get the, I think the one that with the bigger tin is available. I think there's I know you can get a pack of 440ml, like you can with Peroni. But Angelo Peretti is still part of the 2 for 20 offer when it comes for the Banco di Extravaganza. That could be an option. But if perchance the 18 pack is on cashback, where it was last time it was 12 quid, that could be another option. If Cruz Campo is still 14 quid a box for 18, that could be an option. You know,